Chapter 4, question number 14. These videos will be uploaded in the video form. Long questions will be uploaded in the video form and short questions will be uploaded in the shorts form. So kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get shorts and videos notification simultaneously. Now on a state, entering a state highway, car continues to move with a constant velocity of 6 meter per second. उसकी initial velocity ही 6 meter per second है, ठीक है, एंड इट कंटिन्यूज टू मूव विथ इट फॉर 2 minutes. तो टाइम क्या है, 2 minutes, दैट इज 2 into 60, 120 seconds. ना सेकेंड टाइम पे उसके बाद देन एक्सलेट विद कॉन्स्टेंट एक्सलेशन ऑफ 1 meter per second for 6 seconds. ये तो फेज 1 था. उसके बाद एक्सलेशन आई 1 meter per second स्क्वायर की और टाइम आया उसका 6 seconds. ठीक है. Now we have to plot the velocity time graph. Since we have two time interval 120 seconds and after that 6 seconds. So I have taken here in the x-axis 0 to 130 seconds and velocity from 0 to 12. So let's plot the graph. Since our initial velocity is 6 meter per second, so I will plot the graph here from 6 meter until 120 seconds. 120 सेकेंड्स तक हमारी ये कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी आ रही है 120 सेकेंड्स तक. कार इज मूविंग विद द कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी टिल 120 सेकेंड्स. उसके बाद क्या होता है, एक्सेलरेशन हैपेंस. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फाइनल वेलोसिटी. फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज v इज इक्वल टू u प्लस 80. u is 6 plus a is 1 and time is 6 seconds in. Therefore v is equal to 12 meter per second. The start moving with 12 meter per seconds. उसके बाद ये स्टीप यहाँ पे जाएगा 12 मीटर तक और ये 120 सेकेंड्स पे आके रुकेगा. 120 plus 6 seconds is 126 seconds. So I am going to draw the graph. Now from here 126, this is half से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा सीधा लेंगे पॉइंट एंड 12 we have फाइनल वेलोसिटी 12. दिस पॉइंट पे हम इसको ऐसे मैच करें. और ये 126 लेना. Now this is the area of the displacement of the, we have to find out the displacement by drawing the velocity time graph. So this is first area, this is rectangle, this area is rectangle, this area is rectangle. तो इसका क्या होगा हमारा फर्स्ट एरिया, area of rectangle, you can name it, area of rectangle you can name it as this is O, A, B, C, this is D, this is A. Area of O, A, B, C. Base into height, base is 120, ठीक है, height is 6. This is 720 meter. This area is 720 meter. Now this area is a trapezium. Two parallel sides है, ये 6 meter and this is 12. Two parallel sides are there and our height is 6. 126 minus 120, that is 6. Height is 6. So area of trapezium, is half. This is 6. This is 12. And height is 6. 3. Now 54 meter. This area is 720 meter and this area is 54 meter. The total displacement is 720 plus 54, that is 774 meter. total displacement is 774 meter.